we are asked to find the difference quotient. So we can do this in pieces. Let's find f of x plus h first. F of x plus h. Well, remember, this is an x value. So you go to your function named f, and everywhere you see an x, you substitute in x plus h. So that would be, you've got x cubed minus 8x. That would be x plus h cubed minus 8 times x plus h. Let's go ahead and simplify that. Let's figure out what x plus h cubed is on the side of our paper. X plus h times an x plus h squared. That's x plus h. And x plus h times x plus h, that's x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. Now distribute the x. That's x cubed plus 2x squared h plus xh squared. Now distribute the h plus hx squared plus 2xh squared plus h cubed. So is there anything I can 2xh squared, xh squared, xh squared, I can put those together. So that gives me x cubed plus, how about these x squared h's? Yeah, combine these. That's going to be 3x squared h plus 3xh squared plus an h cubed. All right, so x plus h cubed is x cubed plus 3x squared h plus 3xh squared plus h cubed minus 8x minus 8h. Okay, so that's f of x plus h. And do we know what f of x is? Sure. F of x is x cubed minus 8x. So let's put all this together. This is the difference quotient. The first term is f of x plus h. We know what that is. That's x cubed plus 3x squared h plus 3xh squared plus h cubed minus 8x minus 8h. Okay, minus f of x, which is x cubed minus 8x. And the whole thing's over h. So this is x cubed plus 3x squared h plus 3xh squared plus h cubed minus 8x minus 8h minus x cubed plus 8x. All over h. So what? The x cubes cancel and the 8x's cancel. So I'm left with, I'm going to erase my cubic work up here. Let's erase that. Let's be careful not to erase anything else. So what do I have now? I've got 3x squared, 3x squared h plus 3x h squared plus h cubed minus 8h all over h. And let's factor in h. Let's divide everything by, my pen's not working right, by h. You can factor in h all the top, and that would leave you a 3x squared plus 3xh plus h squared minus 8 all over h. So those cancel. You're left with 3x squared plus 3xh plus h squared. So there's your answer. I see I forgot to bring down my minus 8. There's a minus 8 right there. See that minus 8? I didn't bring it down. So it's 3x squared plus 3xh plus h squared minus 8. Sorry about that.